Get ready, because Apple is about to change the game once again with the iPhone 17 Air, a phone that's creating more buzz than any other upcoming device in 2025, and what you're about to hear will seriously blow your mind. Imagine holding a device that feels lighter than ever, faster than anything you've used before, and smarter with AI features that seem almost futuristic. This is exactly what the iPhone 17 Air is all about. Apple is reportedly preparing to launch this phone in September 2025, and fans are already calling it the most advanced iPhone ever made. But don't go anywhere, because I'll also share a surprise at the end of this video that only true Apple lovers will appreciate, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Now, let's dive into what makes the iPhone 17 Air so extraordinary. The iPhone 17 Air is designed to be the lightest flagship phone Apple has ever released, with a sleek aerospace-grade titanium and aluminum fusion body that reduces weight while maintaining durability. Its 6.3-inch edge-to-edge OLED ProMotion display is rumored to feature 2K resolution with a blazing 144 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling, gaming, and video playback smoother than ever before. The display also introduces Apple's next-level Adaptive Brightness Pro, which uses AI to adjust not just brightness but also color tones depending on your environment, meaning watching content outdoors or indoors will feel unbelievably natural. And here's the real kicker. The bezels are even thinner than the iPhone 16 series, almost giving you that floating screen effect. When it comes to performance, Apple is raising the bar with the new A19 Bionic chip, built on a 2nm architecture. This chip not only promises a massive leap in raw power, but also introduces AI-accelerated performance. Apple is heavily focusing on AI this year, and the iPhone 17 Air will come with Apple Intelligence Core, allowing tasks like advanced photo editing, real-time translation, and even generating personalized summaries of your daily activities in seconds. Gamers are in for a treat too, as early leaks suggest console-level performance with drastically improved thermal management, meaning you can game longer without the phone heating up. The battery is another area where Apple has reportedly listened to fans. The iPhone 17 Air is said to pack a 4,200 mAh battery with optimized power efficiency thanks to the new chip. Combined with AI-driven battery health monitoring, you'll get up to 2 full days of moderate usage. And for the first time, Apple may introduce 45W fast charging, giving you up to 60% charge in under 20 minutes, plus enhanced MagSafe wireless charging that works faster and more efficiently. Now, let's talk cameras, because this is where Apple always shines. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to feature a triple lens system with a 48MP primary sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a new 64MP telephoto lens offering up to 10x optical zoom. The front camera will reportedly be a 24MP AI-enhanced selfie shooter that delivers studio-quality portraits even in low light. Apple is also rumored to bring an AI Cinematic Mode Pro, which allows real-time background edits, lighting changes, and even automatic focus shifts, as if a professional filmmaker was behind the camera. This could revolutionize mobile content creation, making the iPhone 17 Air the perfect device for vloggers, creators, and anyone who loves capturing memories. Here's where things get really interesting. The iPhone 17 Air might come with a hidden feature that hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but leaks suggest Apple could be testing a completely portless design. Yes, no charging port at all, meaning everything will rely on wireless charging and data transfer. If this turns out to be true, it will be Apple's boldest move yet, and it's already sparking huge debates in the tech community. So, what do you think? Will the iPhone 17 Air live up to the hype or redefine the smartphone experience once again? One thing is clear. This is not just an upgrade, it's Apple's vision of the future. And for those of you who stayed until the very end, here's the surprise. Apple is rumored to also launch a brand new exclusive color variant called Holographic Silver, a finish that changes shades depending on the angle of light, and it might only be available for the Air model. Imagine being one of the first to flex that in public. It's definitely going to turn heads. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And stay tuned, Because the iPhone 17 Air is about to make history, and I'll be here to give you every update as it happens.